More than 20 attorneys generals have filed an amicus brief in the case of the United States versus Rahimi after a man believes his Second Amendment rights were being violated.
23 News reporter Kaylee Randall talked with a domestic violence protection expert on the federal case and how it could potentially put survivors in a dangerous spot.
Very afraid. I am very concerned that the Supreme Court is going to uphold the district court's strike down.
In 2021, authorities say 23-year-old Zaki Rahimi from Texas violated a restraining order by owning several firearms. The order of protection went into effect after he was accused of assaulting his ex-girlfriend. Rahimi argued the order violated his Second Amendment rights, and the Fifth Circuit agreed.
We have a situation here where survivors are already endangering themselves by attempting to leave a violent situation. And if we do not do everything we can to remove weapons from the hands of those violent abusers.
Illinois Attorney General Kwame Raoul and 26 other attorney generals formed a coalition to ask the Supreme Court to reverse the lower court's decision. They argue the ruling puts survivors at risk.
Survivors will understand that this will remove a protection from them. And so our fear as advocates and people doing this work in this community is that this will have a chilling effect on our survivors seeking remedies in court.
Jennifer Kajapalia with the Family Peace Center in Rockford says domestic abuse can become one of the most lethal situations anybody can experience, adding that 60% of mass shootings in the country are done by situations of domestic violence. She says it's important to point out that there isn't equal protection for survivors, especially among women.
Regardless of the outcome of this case, we are not going anywhere. We will stand with them, we will continue to fight, and we will continue to try to hold oppressive systems and harmful systems accountable.
Working for you in the state line, Kaylee Randall, 23 News.
23 News did reach out to legal experts on both sides to weigh in on the issue, but they were not available for a comment at this time.
Kachapalia says when you introduce a gun to that situation, survivors' likelihood of homicide increases by 500%.